Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to hide the green dot on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right to open the menu. This is where we'll begin adjusting your privacy settings to manage your activity status effectively. Once the menu is open, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You. Within this section, you'll see an option called Messages and Story Replies. Tap on this to proceed to the next set of options, which includes the Activity Status Control. Now, inside Messages and Story Replies, you'll find Show Activity Status. Tap on this option. You will see a toggle switch. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. When the toggle is gray, your activity status is hidden, and the green dot will no longer appear next to your profile picture for others. By turning off your activity status, you also won't be able to see when others are active. This is a two-way street for privacy. Remember, you can always re-enable this feature by following the same steps if you change your mind. Your direct messages and other interactions remain unaffected, ensuring your communication continues smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.